Well, we are getting a head start on our weekend at the cottage with Nik Manojlovich from Weekend at the Cottage. Good morning. He joins us with a couple of tasty summer dishes.
I totally have you prepared, Annette, to eat and enjoy the summer as it arrives. So we ready to go?
I'm ready to go.
Let's start with a wonderful weeknight meal idea. I'm going to show you how to do a 30-minute meal that's all about choosing Canadian seafood. This is such a great alternative if you're looking for a healthy meal option. We're going to start the recipe by creating a boosted pesto. So I'm going to start by zesting a lemon, add the juice of the lemon into a bowl, along with, ready for it, 2 big cloves of garlic and pesto. We're going to stir that together, and now we have the perfect marinade for scallops. We're looking for Product of Canada labels when we're purchasing our scallops, remembering these are nutritious, protein-packed, filled with omega-3s. They're perfect for a family meal. We're going to skewer our scallops onto brochettes and then brush them with that pesto. The thing I love about this recipe, 4 minutes. Check out those grill marks. 4 minutes to grill scallops. Who knew? Then we're going to head back to kitchen. Let's put some favorite long noodle pasta in a bowl. Add the pesto, tomatoes, black olives. We're going to add some baby spinach. Give it a stir, and then you're over to plates. This meal idea is done. You can visit chooseseafood.ca for this and other great seafood recipes. Doesn't that look amazing?
Oh, you know, it's my lunchtime right now, and I am so hungry, and that looks so good.
I can tell you this, as soon as we're off air, I'm going to be having this for breakfast, and I could not be any happier. And
we have to get you back in studio.
Yeah, so we can have this together.
Yes.
Do you want to then go to after this wonderful meal?
Yes, let's do that.
How about one of my favorite summer desserts? And this is that crumb cake that everybody's been asking for. We're going to start by making that crumb topping. So I'm going to take a little bit of flour, and then I'm going to add a little bit of Red Pat's golden yellow sugar. And this has this wonderful caramel note. It has a beautiful moist texture. We're going to create a gorgeous little crumb. And then we're going to add some butter. You rub it together in your little fingertips with cinnamon, and you've just created the perfect crumb. To make the cake, Annette, it is easy. Sugar, butter, right? A little bit of milk. We're going to add in granulated sugar and then lemon zest. Check out those fresh blueberries. Fold them in gently into a square pan. Add that gorgeous crumb. Again, we love the sustainably sourced, ethically grown sugar topping. You're cutting it out. Look at that cute little squares. And I could just say, again, speaking from experience, I make this crumb cake. You place it out on the counter on the weekend. Your guests will go running. It never lasts more than usually a day. It disappears pretty quick, but 2 really great ideas for summer taste sensations. Right,
and I don't like the idea of cute little squares. I want great big squares of those.
That's easy. We could do that too. Like, we want big, you could probably have the whole pan. I mean, it's just
and
so
you imagine that like with some
scrumptious.
fresh whipped cream?
Yeah, or vanilla ice cream. Just saying, just saying, people.
Okay. And is that a recipe, too, that's really good, like right out of the oven if you want to have it warm?
Yes, Annette, you nailed it. Exactly what it is. And it's just very quick to prepare and then quick to disappear. I love that kind of magic trick of really enjoyable baking.
Okay, and just getting back to the scallops, how can we be sure, again, that we're looking for Canadian and sustainably sourced?
Ultimately, it's on the product label, so you're looking for Canadian product, whether it's cod from Newfoundland, PEI mussels. We're looking for, Ontario's famous trout, or perch, BC coast for salmon. Look for that Product of Canada label on it. And again, it is perfect for family meals. Choosing Canadian seafood, I think, is the way to go this summer. ChooseSeafood.ca.
Because it helps Canadian producers, right?
Absolutely, right? Right here, big heart.
Okay, awesome. Nik, lovely to see you again. Can't wait to have you back in studio. Probably our next segment.
Coming.
I'm hoping.